Good morning, everybody. In this class, we are going to discuss about the new chapter. The name of chapter is P block elements. For seeing the P block elements, first of all, understand what about the periodic table. So, what is the periodic table? The arrangement of elements. The arrangement of elements in periods and group is called as periodic table. What is periodic table? The arrangement of elements in periods and groups is called as periodic table. In periodic table, there is the periods and groups. Periods and groups. What about the periods? What about the periods? The horizontal rows in periodic table called as periods, while the vertical columns occurs in periodic table called as groups. All these terms are seen already in 11th. What? These terms are already seen in 11th. Periods and groups. Periods, that is the horizontal rows, occurs in periodic table, and groups, that is the vertical columns. This periodic table was arranged by, firstly, the name of scientist is the Mendeleev. The periodic table was arranged by the scientist. Name of that scientist is the Mendeleev. The scientist Mendeleev can arrange the periodic table depending upon the atomic mass number of elements. What? Atomic mass number of elements. So that is called as the periodic functions of the what? Atomic mass number. The physical and chemical properties of elements. Physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic functions of the atomic mass number. But the atomic mass number of element can be changed. That depends upon the number of neutrons. Neutrons can be changed. Therefore, atomic mass number also change. Hence, the periodic table that arranged by the Mendeleev can be disturbed because atomic mass number can be changed. So, the new periodic table was arranged by the scientist. Name of that scientist is the Moseley. Moseley was arranged the new periodic table. That periodic table is called as modern periodic table. What? Modern periodic table was arranged by the scientist Moseley. In this periodic table, there is 7 periods can be occurs. This is modern periodic table of the Moseley. In this periodic table, 7 periods can be occurs. That is first to 7 horizontal rows, and 18 groups can be occurs. In modern periodic table of Moseley containing 7 periods and 18 groups. So it is also called as long form of the periodic table. This is biggest periodic table. So it is called also what? Long form of periodic table. But this modern periodic table depends upon atomic number of elements. All these elements can arrange depending upon the increasing order of atomic number. And you know, the atomic number cannot be changed of any elements because the atomic number can shows the basic characters of each elements. Cannot be changed at any conditions. Therefore, this periodic table can be seen to the till date. There are not any changes. That modern periodic table can occur to the till dates due to atomic number. Atomic number means what? The number of protons or electrons present in an atom of any element is called as atomic number. An atomic number can show the basic characters. Therefore, it cannot be changed. So, this modern periodic table can be seen. But actually, this modern periodic table containing how much? 7 periods and 18 groups can be classified into 4 blocks elements. What? This modern periodic table consists of 4 block elements. Which are that 4 block elements? First is the S block elements. Second one is the P block elements. S block, P block. Third one is the D block elements, and last one is the F block elements. What modern periodic table is consists of 4 block elements for the study purpose. Which are that 4? First one is the S block, second one is the P block, third one is the D block, and last one is the F block. How to arrange this block of elements? How to arrange this block of elements depending upon the electronic configuration of elements. What? Depending upon the electronic configuration. The S block elements means what? The elements in which outermost or last electrons enters into S subcell called as S block. S block elements means what? The elements in which last or valence electrons are enters into S subcell or S orbital called as S block elements. For example, hydrogen having the atomic number 1 and electronic configuration is 1s1. Only one electron is present in hydrogen that goes to the S block element, so is the S block elements. Hydrogen containing only one electron that goes to the S subcell, so hydrogen is the S block element. Again, second example of the sodium having the atomic number 11. Sodium having atomic number 11 and electronic configuration according to the Aufbau's principle. According to Aufbau's principle, the electronic configuration of sodium is 1s2, then 2s2, then 2p6. How much electrons are distributed? Out of the 11, 2, then 2 and 6. Total is 10. Remaining only one electron. That electron goes to the third cell, that is 3s1. Means what? According to Aufbau's principle, whenever the electronic configuration of sodium can gives 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s1. The outermost, that is last electron, outermost means what? The last electron goes to the S subcell or S orbital. Therefore, sodium is the S block element. Likewise, that number of elements can be distributed in a S block, and we can consider depending upon their electronic configuration whenever the last electron goes to the S subcell. So, these are the S block elements, total S block elements. In modern periodic table, first and second group. In modern periodic table, first and second group can possess the S block depending upon the electronic configuration. Then second block, that is the P block. What about the P block? P block, the elements in which outermost or valence electrons are enters into P orbital or P subcell, that is called as P block elements. The P block elements are located in 13th to 18th group of periodic table. Understand? First of all, S block, that is first and second group. Then P block are located in 13th to 18th group of periodic table. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. All these are the P block elements. For example of the P block, that is boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, etc. Suppose, see the example of boron and carbon. Boron and carbon. Boron having atomic number 5 and carbon having atomic number 6. Then see the electronic configuration depending upon the what? Aufbau's principle. Whenever this boron can use the electronic configuration, that is 1s2, then 2s2, then 2p1. In boron, only 5 electrons. That 5 electrons can distribute in 1s, 2s and 2p orbital. Means what? The last or valence electron goes to the p orbital, so it is P block element. Boron is the P block. Then carbon also can p block element depending upon their electronic configuration. Carbon having the atomic number 6, then 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Last or outermost electrons goes to the p block, so it is also p block. So these are the all these are the p block elements. S block, p block. Then third one is the d block elements. Means to what? The modern periodic table can consist of S, P, then D. What about the D? D means to what? The elements in which outermost or valence electrons are enters into d orbital of penultimate cell. Last but one cell called as d block elements, which are located in 3rd to 12th group of periodic table. How much? 3rd to 12th groups in periodic table, that is called as d block or transition elements. And last is the f block elements. What about the f block elements? The elements in which outermost or valence electrons are enters into f orbital of the pre-penultimate cell, that is called as f block elements. These elements can located below of the periodic table. Actually, these elements cannot be located in this periodic table. These can placed at the bottom of periodic table. It is also called as inner transition elements. Okay. So mostly can arrange the 4 types of elements or 4 blocks of elements, which are that S block, P block, D block and F block. So this is the modern periodic table. But actually in this class we are going to study only the P block elements. For the purpose of 12th science, in 12th science we have the chapter that is 16th, 17th and 18th group of elements, not a P block. Name of the chapter is the 16th, 17th and 18th group elements. What? Name of the chapter, that is group of 16th, 17th and 18th group of element. But actually these elements can located in P block, so it is called as P block elements. What? P block elements. So what about the P block elements? What about the P block elements? So in this class we are going to study about P block elements. What is the actual definition of P block elements? P block elements means what? The elements in which outermost or valence electrons enters into p orbital of last cell called as P block elements. See again, what is name of chapter? Name of chapter is the P block elements. How to define the P block elements? The elements in which valence or outermost electrons enters into p orbital of last cell called as P block elements. These P block elements can obtained or occurs in 13th to 18th group of periodic table. What is the actual location of these elements in periodic table? These elements actually obtained in 13th to 18th group of periodic table. All these elements, P block elements, are highly electronegative elements. P block elements are highly electronegative elements. Electronegative elements. And all these elements of P block are consist of actually 13th group, which 13th group is this 13th group elements. Second one is the 14th group, 15th group, 16th, 17th and 18th group of elements. This one actually these highly electronegative P block elements are divided or consist of 13th group elements, 14th group elements, 15th group, 16th, 17th and 18th group of elements. But actually 13th, 14th and 15th, these three groups 13th, 14th and 15th are actually studied in 11th. Not required for the 12th science. 13th, 14th and 15th, that is already discussed. This what from 16th, 17th and 18th you have to require only for the 12th science syllabus. Which are that 16, 17 and 18. All these P block elements have general electronic configuration. General electronic configuration, that is NS2 NP 1 to 6. See the characteristics of the P block. First characteristics is valence electron enter into p orbital of last cell. Second character, it consists of 13th to 18th group, that is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All these elements are highly electronegative. And next character, that is most important, the electronic configuration of all these P block elements is NS2 NP 1 to 6. NS2 NP 1 to 6. That can indicate what? 1 to 6 means what? 1 to 6 means what? The electrons are progressively added in the p orbital. So the general is NS2 NP 1 to 6 is the general electronic configuration of P block, and electronic configuration of each group, that is 13th group is NS2 NP1. NS2 NP1. Then 14th group NS2 NP2. Then 15th NS2 NP3. One electron is progressively added in each group, that is 13th group, 14th group, 15th group. 1, 2, 3. 16th group having the general electronic configuration NS2 NP4. 16th group. What about the 17th? That is NS2 NP5 and last NS2 NP6. All these P block elements having general electronic configuration NS2 NP1 to 6, NS2 NP1 to 6, but actually 13th having P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and P6. So this is the introductory part of P block elements. Stop here and see the next.